Am I frozen? Think so. Uh, I'm frozen. Can you guys hear me? Well, that sucks. It looks like I'm frozen. Well, I don't care if you can't see me, but can you at least hear me? Yeah, I think we're good. Whatever. We're gonna keep on going. I don't care. We're gonna keep on going. I don't care. So I finally accomplished, the goal that I set out. I got my first prop firm payout from Apex. So very, very, very proud of myself that I finally got a payout. Took a very long time, trading two micros at a time, but all that matters was that I got there. I might not be the best trader ever. I might not be putting the most huge numbers, but hey, all I can tell you is that at least I'm getting paid, and that's what matters. At least I'm getting paid. So I set out a goal, and I accomplished that goal. Thank you, Mark. I appreciate it. Um, I formed a new Discord group. If you want to go ahead and join, the link is right there in the description. Thank you, Cody. Took a long time to get there, but I'm finally there. So, okay, well, there's that. And now we can get back to the charts. Um, so far, yesterday I took two losses because I got two boner candles, and of course, later on in the day, price action went where I wanted to go. So if we come over here, later on in the day, price action came where I wanted it to go, right over here, which fucking sucks. I hate when it does that shit. Whatever, it is what it is. But I took a position here, then I got a boner candle, then I took a position here, then I got another boner candle. So I got two boner candles. Well, not boner candles. Fuck you candles. Back to back. Couldn't do anything. I'm gonna call it a winning day because I aligned all my confluences and I was up. And unfortunately, I got stomped out right here. So probably the best thing I could have done was take money at the level because I entered here. By the time price action got to a level, I could have just took it. You know, coulda, woulda, shoulda. It's we always what is it called? Monday night quarterback or some shit like that. Whatever. And then the day before, I took two losses as well. So so far 2 days in a row that I took losses, but I mean, it doesn't really matter because so I know we live in the right now, and yeah, taking losses fucking suck ass. They really suck. But I mean, at the end of the day, when I look at my trade Zella, I'm still profitable. Winning day, I'm just coming in YOLO something. Thank you, John. I ain't gonna YOLO shit. By the way, for those of you guys that are watching, like I stated before, I opened a new community on Discord. If you want to go ahead and join, we're all developing each other there. Um, this right here is definitely for the traders, helping each other out as much as we can. And we're creating a beautiful thing right there. So we're not gonna trade nothing right now. Right now, I'm just gonna talk about psychology. Um, I want to be transparent and show you guys my trade Zella. Just so I can show you guys that yes, I am a profitable trader. It's not spectacular numbers. And I don't claim for it to be spectacular numbers, but let me see. So this is my trade Zella. I have a 50K. This is a 50K prop firm account that I use off for my trade Zella. So two losing days, and then the rest of this month were winning days. So yeah, I got losing days, but whatever. The money doesn't count. The amount of money doesn't really count. What really matters to me is this right here. Total profits divided by total losses. A profit factor above 1 indicates a profitable trading system. So this is what keeps me at bay. This is what calms down my psychology no matter if I lose, twice in a row, if I lose 2 days in a row. What matters to me is to keep that number above 1. As long as I can do that, I'm making money. That's all I care. My progress as a trader is going to get better as time progresses. I am still a newbie trader, and I accept that. But as long as I keep that number over 1, I'm fucking good. I can lose today, and this profit factor can go to 1.40. I'm still fine. I'm still fine. That's all that matters. What's up, E? Good morning. So I highly suggest that you guys get Trade Zella, um, like to calm down your psyche and look at your results, and be like extremely disciplined. Like I take like 2 trades a day. Like I don't even want to take a third anymore. I really don't. 2 losers in a row, I'm out. 1 winner, I'm out. Um, I'm just very, very strict with my shit because I'm not the most spectacular trader. I'm not the most smartest trader. But one thing I can say is that I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna give up. That's probably my only skill I have. That's not giving up. So I highly suggest you get TradeZella and log your trades. And if you can see your profit factor above one, you're a profitable trader. You know, 6, 7 a year from now, you'll be making money and you'll have some money in your account. So there's that. Thanks, Kevin. Appreciate it. So, okay, time to trade, even though there's nothing to trade. Um, okay, so obviously we have a huge overreaction because of the data that popped up. So there's nothing to trade right now. So what I'm gonna do, I am gonna do some charting on YM. I'm going to do some charting to see if I can find any areas where I can get any conflict of price action. So we have this top wick right there at 40,669. So I can already see right off the bat here, 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 here. I can already identify right off the bat where we can see price reacting right around here. And if we extend that over to where we are right now, you can use that as a reference point. Doesn't necessarily mean that you trade based off of that level, because we react off of what we see. So obviously we see a rejection here. Did you guys see how I plotted my levels? I start on the 1 hour or the 30 minute. It just so happens that I started on the 30 minute, and I look for price action. I look for the current range where price action is trading, and I look for any areas of interest where price can reject off of. And as you can see, I already, in a matter of fucking 1 minute, identified and found an area where price action reacts based on the past. So all the levels that I post, it is all for reference. All for reference. Doesn't necessarily mean I trade based off of that. I don't. But I use it as reference points to see where price action is reacting at. So we got a rejection here. Super trend is right there. So we're going to mark that. We're going to mark that right there for the super trend level on the 5 minute. Let's go look at the EMAs, see what are they telling me. We're hitting the 13 EMA right here. That 13 EMA is holding it up. So one thing I will tell you guys, every time XL starts straightening out, you are gonna expect price action to finally cross it, because XL reacts faster than any EMAs. XL reacts faster than any EMAs. What's up, Chewy? So this is the beginning of price weakness right here. So I'm not a fan of counter trend trading, but I can counter trend trade to the 5 minute super trend level. Am I going to do it? Um, probably not. Probably not going to do it. Because of I've had 2 losing days in a row. So what I want to do is take a trade with the trend. Unfortunately, this is counter. So today, yeah, I probably won't do it. Don't be surprised if we break past the 13 and then come to that super trend level, because that's already a trade that you can take right there. But do I want to do it? I don't. I kind of want to wait for price action to come back to the upside and trade long. Let me go to MES. Let's see what MES is doing. Well, actually, hold on. Let me go to MYM right here. Let me put an alert. I'll put an alert as super trend. I'll put an alert right there, and let's go back to MES. Yeah, yep, A plus setup only today. I need to get a green day. I refuse to get a third red day in a row. I already got two. So I refuse to get a third red day in a row. So MES, this level right here, I did it yesterday morning, and it looks like it's holding it to the T. Let me see here. Um, I want to show you guys something here. So yesterday is where I drew these levels on MES. So, like I was saying before in the morning, we have a newly formed community, and every time in the morning I always post the intraday ranges where price action is trading. And these levels are from yesterday, and they're still holding up today. So, like I always say, if only I was as good at trading as I am marking fucking support and resistance, because when it comes to that, boy, I'm a fucking expert at doing that shit. Um, so you can already see the sensitivity happening here on MES. Right now it's way too overbought, overextended for my taste, way too overbought. Sure, we're very bullish and price action can keep going, but is it a trade that I will take? Absolutely not. Doesn't necessarily mean that you guys don't have to trade it. I mean, if you get a trade design, whatever, you have price action crossing XL and everything is still bullish, you can go ahead and take it, but don't expect such a huge move, because the ATR, or the range of the price action, already went crazy from 54.91 exploding all the way up to 55.39. What is that, like a fucking 100 points or some shit? That's a fucking huge move, dude. That's a huge move. Well, actually, let me take a look at MNQ. Same thing. These levels are from yesterday. Um, Price is hanging around there, but it's just so fucking overextended. I don't know about you, but I really don't like it when price is super overextended. It's just not my style. It really isn't. Um, even though you're supposed to trade with what you see on the chart, like for example, this is bullish, but ultimately I'm a very big advocate. If you're not comfortable with what you see on the chart, I highly suggest you don't trade it, and you only trade the setups that you feel comfortable with. That's how I was able to be a profitable trader, because I'm very picky with my trades. I don't like to jump into shit. Fucking refuse to do that. I trade very slow, like a fucking turtle. I'm not a fast trader. I hate anxiety. I have anxiety, so trading activates my anxiety. So I try my best possible to take the most comfortable setups I can. Let's take a look back at MYM. Yeah, we still have price weakness right here. It's holding up on the 13 though. We'll wait to see what happens. I a more comfortable trade I would like to see to the long side here on YM is XL finally pivot like this, and then we have price coming in and cross it and take the entry above the cross. If my sub indicators are bullish, that's more of a trade that I would like to take. But here, we are definitely losing steam. We have RSI slowly coming back here, and we finally have a MACD cross. If you go like on a 3 minute or something like that, um, it's losing steam coming on down. So you got to take all the other. I take all the other time frames into consideration. Overall, it's pretty obvious that the trend is still bullish overall. Now is just a matter of patience on waiting for your setup. That's all it is. Let me see here. All right, well, enough about me. How about you guys? Have you decided to take a trade on anything? Take this off. Take this off. I want to see something here. So, okay, we have super trend there along with 35% there. Okay. All right, well, what's up, Fat Mac? You trading today, bro? Mark, you're in long MNQ. Target 919520. Let's take a look at that. Still waiting on your hands, Jesse? Good for you. Yeah, see, exactly what I said. This is still very bullish. Still very bullish. You don't trade your feelings. Even if it's overextended, but you still have very bullishness. If you're comfortable with that, go ahead. Just like how Mark is comfortable with taking this trade, bro, more power to you, dude. More power to you. I don't knock this trade at all because you're riding that ribbon. Price action is very strong along with your sub indicator still very strong. I do not knock this trade. This is a very good trade, bro. And you said your target is you said it was 520 all the way up here? Damn, dude, you shoot for the fucking fences, bro. You shoot for the fucking fences, dude. That's pretty fucking high. All the way up here? I don't know, bro. That's dude, that's another what is that? Like another 70 points, I think, or some shit like that. I don't know, bro. Played RTY below Excel. Let me take a look at RTY. Yeah, I haven't traded RTY in a minute. Damn, RTY is coming down. So you traded um trade RTY below Excel and red bad switch. Cody, what do you mean by that? Like if you played it below Excel and you're down here, bro, like your money, bro, your money. Like, is that what are you trying to say? Thank you, Ashley L. I was I was over here crying to Ashley, like, oh my god, I can't believe I got to pay out. It took me forever. That Dude, I was like fucking boohoo crying on the ground, bro. You guys don't understand how fucking hard I work just to make those little $1,500, bro. I work so hard, dude. I work so hard. Oh, red band switch. Fuck yeah, Cody. I'm gonna knock that. That's a good counter trend trade. That's a very good counter trend trade. You're one long M&Q here, E. Not too bad. I hope you got a good entry. 19502. See, 19502 is more. That's more a realistic target. I think that's a pretty good target. I'm trailing my stop as well. There's a fair value gap at 19520. Yeah, sure. You can identify that, but doesn't necessarily mean that price will eventually go there. You don't know. So if you're trailing your stop, that's the best idea you can do. I just traded one MQ contract. I'm up 120 for now. Low risk and hold to 19520. Maybe it could make it there. Could not. We don't know. We don't know. Let's go back to MYM. It still hasn't hit my alert, but it's getting to super trend, dude. You know, I could have easily took a trade here. You know, we have price crossing XL. Ribbon red. Yeah, I have the 13 EMA there, but the 13 EMA, I'm not fucking worried about the 13 EMA. It's a very weak EMA. And I come on down and then bomb, I hit super trend. I was right. So right there I could have took that trade, but because I have two losing days in a row, I don't want to trade that because this right here is a B setup. This right here is a B setup. I would have definitely taken this trade. Price cross XL, red ribbon, 13 MA. I'm not fucking worried about it. And I take it as super chin and I would have cashed out already. But I only take these type of trades when I'm on a roll. When I'm on a roll, like living, like winning every day, like just this last week, and I was winning, 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 and I was counter trend trading. I was on a roll, so I was having that momentum, and I was able to take those trades. But you know that's why you have to do some reflection. I got 2 bad days in a row. Now I don't want to get a third, so I'm gonna be the most Mr. Miyagi strict I could possibly fucking be. What's up, gamer? Hard work pays off. Great job on your first of many payouts. Yeah, bro. Yep. It most definitely is one of the first of many payouts. Absolutely. Absolutely. And of course, you have immediate reaction at super trend. That's why that's how you use super trend as a take profit level. And that's how you use super trend as a take profit level. Right there. You take your profit at super trend. I erase that. Whoops. Okay. So now we're having XL doing that curve. So right here, so we have two things. This is probably one thing that you guys you don't know about it. Um, so okay, I finally hit my alert. So right now price, it's retraced super trend. Now let's see what it wants to do. So I come right here, and like I said, I use all of this as reference. Here, price has retraced from this low to this high. It has retraced 35% of its move. So I use this as reference. It can either do one or two things, because no trading is a 50-50 flip of a coin type of game. You can either win or lose. It can either go long or short. Everything that I use is for reference. It retraced 35% of its move. you could have price rejection here off of super trend, off the 35 retracement, and continue on pushing forward. Or with the up momentum is just gonna fucking die. So everything that I use is all for reference. At the end of the day, all we're trading is XL, ribbon, price action, and what the sub indicators are doing. You can mash and mix whatever knowledge that you know, but I'm a very big advocate. I'm a huge advocate of whatever knowledge that you can use to put with your edge to make yourself a little bit more profitable. I feel like you should do it. Whatever edge works. If you mix and match things, like for example, Mark knows about like fair value gaps and shit like that. Sure. I mean, that's cool. That's cool to know. That's just, one little extra bit of information that you can use to your advantage. So I'm a very big advocate of keep learning, and not be the same, the same. I really don't like that. I really don't. Um, can you explain that again? Take profit at super trends? Sure. So this is super trend right here. Super trend acts like a level, just like this resistance level that I drew, or this predictive level that Titan, well, I mean, 1348 Legends has. Super trend is a level. So, for example, um, you can use it as take profit areas. That's what I use it as, take profit areas. And an example of a counter trend trade, when you have a switch of the ribbon to red, price crossing XL, you could have took a trade here and rode it to the take profit area of where super trend is. You move this, super trend is right there. Super trend is right there. When this candle formed right here, it had a new reaction on super trend, came back up, and finally broke through. So if you were to take a position there, going counter trend, you could target super trend and take profit. That's at your take profit level and exit out of there. Do I suggest you trade counter trend? Absolutely not. If you don't have the experience doing counter trend trades, you shouldn't do it. You shouldn't do it. The only way, that's how I use super trend as take profit levels going counter trend. Um, for example, if like you're I don't know if I can find an example, but say you're under the 200 or something, but price action is above the 48, you're above the EMAs. So you can take that trade above the 48 EMA. So here's a more valid example. Let me just draw it out. So say this is the 200 EMA and price action is under it, but the 48 EMA is right here. And price finally breaks above the 48 EMA right here, the most likely scenario, because we are under the 200, super trend will still be red. And for example, super trend will probably be like right there. So you can take a trade above the 48 EMA because you're above the EMAs and ride it to the take profit of what super trend will be. I don't know if that makes sense. But I think I I think I explained it pretty well. Had to use a 3 minute chart to find an entry on MNQ. Yeah, I use a 3 minute chart sometimes, dude. So, I mean, we can already see that the trade that I wanted to take, it looks like it fucking worked. It looks like it fucking worked. So, that could have been the end of my trading day, and I would have been out already, and I would have eliminated the two losing days and had a green day. But because I want to be extremely disciplined, unfortunately, I'm gonna have to swallow the fucking pill of me being right, take profit here, and be done. Unfortunately, I have to swallow that and I have to be okay. So, this is the point where motherfuckers be like, oh, shit, Why didn't I take the trade? Well, I can see price is falling. Let me just jump on this trend. Eh, no, bro. You're too fucking late for the fucking party, bro. You're too late for the fucking party. So don't even fucking jump onto anything like that. If you miss the move, oh fucking well, bro. There's nothing you can do about it. Counter trend go in with 1/5 or 1/4 or your normal entry makes the continuation of the trend more bearable if stopped and keeps. I'll give you something else to swallow. Well, I hope it's apple juice, Moto, or orange juice. I like orange juice too. But yeah, Moto's right. Um, taking a small position going counter trend works just fine too. That helps alleviate anxiety. So we finally got that curve on XL. That means price is reversing back to the downside. Reversing back to the downside. Pineapple juice. Yeah, pineapple juice is actually sweeter. I'll drink orange juice beforehand. um, Let me take a look here. Okay, so we broke past the 35 retracement. Um, Let me see right here. Okay, we broke past it a bit. So this 35 retracement, it doesn't this right here, just because this line is right here, doesn't mean that the 35 retracement is there. This all could be the 35 retracement until it gets like over here to the 60% of the move retracement. So, you know, like I said, everything is for reference. This is for reference. Price can hang out here and easily come back up above the ribbon crossing XL or continue plummeting down. But expect a reaction here at 61 retracement. Definitely expect a reaction. All right, now there's a fucking mess. Let me remove all these squiggly lines. I don't want to exit this out. I have a whole bunch of dots everywhere, but I don't want to remove drawings because then it would remove my fucking my support and resistance level that I worked so hard to draw. Is there still people coming in? Good morning, y'all. Sorry you can't see my beautiful face. Looks like my webcam is not working. At least I don't think it is. Let's see. Nope, it's frozen. Oh well. You won't see my beautiful face today. Man, it's like watching paint dry. Let's take a look at M and Q. Yo, E, whatever happened to M and Q? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Breakout, break, and retest. Look at that. Bro, look at, bro. I'm telling you, dog. I'm so good at drawing levels, bro. To the fucking tick, got rejected. Breakout, break, retest. Bomb. Beautiful price action. Yo, Mark, are you still holding, bro? You're still in? No webcam, no OnlyFans. Yeah, bro. Sorry, bro. I can't be a cam girl. I can't be a cam girl. Well, I could if I identify as trans. No, I don't think. Well, gamer, I think people took trades on M and Q, but as far as MES, we still got price just bounce, 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 bounce off this range right here. The sub indicators are still red, so no. Um, lowered my expectations. See, see what I mean, E? You're doing just fine. You're doing just fine. Like I said, don't expect too much ever on a trade. I don't fucking expect that shit to fucking rocket every single time. If I'm in profit and I've been moving up my stop, bro, I'm out. I'm out the second I see, price weakness. I'm out of there. I'm out of there. I took profits and jumped back in long again at the retest. God damn, Mark, you're just fucking scalping this bitch. Damn, you took profits, got the retest, bomb. Damn, bro. Killing that shit. That's fucking technical ass trading right there. Oops. So, you got some price weakness on YM. It's hitting that ribbon. It's trying to cross it. It's above the 24, trying to get back above the 13. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Moto School of Hit. Yeah, for real, bro. For real. You're over here just dissecting the chart. Going long on the retest. Going short on the fucking braid of the break of the ribbon. I mean, there is multiple ways to skin the cat. I mean, you can definitely fucking skin the cat multiple ways. I'm trying to work. Your price just stopped me out. It's super volatile. Yeah. How many trades are you gonna take, Mark? I feel like you've done enough. But that's just my opinion. I mean, some people like to trade more. So let's take a look at the bounce off the 48 here, and we're coming on up. Switch of the ribbon. Okay, not too bad. I'll trade quite a few if the chart is doing what I think it is. Then I'll switch to practice account if it looks ugly. Yeah, I mean, if it works for you, it works for you. I'm a huge advocate of just practice, practice, practice. I mean, you have to get up your shots and your reps, right? But I mean, just make sure the reps that you take, they're good reps and not, just forcible reps. So let's go back and pull up that fib retracement. And Well, I'll be damned. Well, I'll be damned. Price is getting caught and bought at 35% of its retracement level. Well, I'll be damned. Just cut the M and Q. Didn't have a great feeling. Zero lag was getting bloody. Let me take a look. Let me take a look at that. Yeah, yeah, bro. It's definitely losing steam. Um, no shame in taking that, and cutting it. If it's not working out, it's not working out. The faster you cut it, the better you are, in my opinion. In my humble opinion, even though my opinion is not really good or anything. So, okay, would you look at that? We got price reacting on retracing 35% of its move, and it's coming on up right here. We got a break, we got a ribbon flip, and we're breaking the EMAs, coming back to the upside. So we wait. I'll take small profit any day. You give me $5, I'm gonna take that shit. Yeah, I'm working on my patience with the practice account. Nice, dude. Well, if you really want to work on your patience, Mark, if you really want to work on your patience, you should limit yourself to 2 trades a day. If you want to go hardcore, shit, I'll give you a fucking hardcore assignment. Fucking do 2 trades, but those 2 trades, you better make sure they're the best trades in your fucking life. uh, Still waiting, MYM. We're good though. We're slowly getting there. We're slowly getting there. Take a look at MES. What you doing? It's still Chop City on the range right here. Chop City on the range. Price action is above the range. Getting rejected off XL. But all of this is ugly. All of that is ugly. Maybe if you get a price crossing XL, but you like need a tight stop. I'm not even gonna lie to you. And then Q still good. Slowly turning on. Let's take a look at the Russell. It's doing the same thing as MYM. Yeah, that's why I'm kind of disregarding the Russell now because it trades right behind MYM. So yeah, I choose MYM. Yeah, price is consolidating after that down move. Snooze fest on MES. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Snooze fest on MES. It is what it is. If that's your only ticker, fuck it. You gotta do what you gotta do. I don't see any move happening on MES. Let's see here. Price is breaking down a bit. Switch of the ribbon. Mm, I'm out until we get a good pullback on MNQ. Price is jumping around like crazy. Yeah. Let me see. What's a good pullback on MNQ? So, okay. Shit. Well, it looks like it did its pullback right here. When it retested that level, it did it yeah, this area right here, it did its little pullback right there and continued on up. But yeah, if you want a bigger pullback, yeah. I don't know, bro. It looks a little fugly, I'm not gonna lie. It definitely looks a little fugly. And this price above XL. I mean, we're still very bullish though. So right here, like pay attention to the RSI. Like we're way above 50. We're still very bullish. Very bullish. We're still very bullish. Where's a rocket emoji? Let me find a rocket. They don't have any rockets here. So we got price above XL. Dude, they don't have any rocket emojis? I can't believe it. There has to be one. There has to be one. I don't know, but whatever. Price is bullish right now. We'll use an airplane. We have RSI is still above 50, dude. Still above 50, you know, right in that ribbon. You do have a cross of XL, but I don't know, bro. It's a little overextended. I mean, you can probably take it. I'll probably take it and probably have like a stop loss, like probably like right here, super tight, and like quick scalp it, like right there, like from stop, entry, take profit, you know, right there. Just left. The rocket is by the airplane. Just left. Oh, I fucking missed it. Yeah, because the best entry was right here when the ribbon formed and the rejection off the 13. I mean, you take price crossing XL, you take this with a grain of salt. Even though the best entries are above XL, but the best entry when the entries are better using XL is when XL is like doing like this type of curve to come back up bullish, and price is shit, and then price is crossing it like that. Yeah, but when XL's like this, you take it with a grain of salt because you have a rejection off the 13 and you got a ribbon green and you take it. You still have RSI very bullish above 50. Yeah, the MACD, whatever, it didn't cross, but you also take the MACD with a grain of salt. Don't, you know, I mean, you have enough bias right here on the histogram. It's pink. So you already know it's losing steam right here. And the MACD is a lagging indicator. It's a lagging indicator. So you take it with a grain of salt. That's where market intuition comes in. And right here is a profitable trade. You already got entry, stop loss, maybe target there, or you could have took your money at the daily high, which was, well, not daily high, today's high, and you would have got a quick scalp just like that. I've always just stuck to the 5 minute. Oh yeah, this is a 3 minute chart. Sorry, 5 minute. Still the same thing, bro. I mean, in a way, it's still the same shit. You got the rib, you got to flip of the ribbon right here, green entry, and then but right up. So gamer, you stick to the 5 minute, bro. That what I'm talking about what I'm talking about is more experience. You get to the different ones with more experience. Okay, we got MY popping off. All right, I'm still not gonna take it yet. I'm still not gonna take it yet. Not yet. But I am preparing myself to take YM. So I guess what I said came to fruition. Price exploded, retraced 35% of its move. Buyers and sellers, looks like the buyers won, and now we're coming back above the 13 EMA. Cross of the ribbon. RSI is still bullish. We're above 50, baby. And that histogram is pink. So I'm getting prepared to take this trade. I'm almost there, but I am gonna take a position on this YM trade. And where do I want my stop? So god damn it, I keep marking my chart. So let me prepare a long position. It's on Ninja Trader, I have it at 80.80, but it's not going to be 80.80. It's probably going to be at 40, 447. So my stop will probably be like right there at the bottom of that wick, right there, and then going with trend. So maybe 2XL right here, maybe, but this is like the trade design that I'll take. So, okay. And we're just gonna go ahead. Um, a little bit premature, but it's okay. What I say I was moving my stop to four, well, I think it's right here, right? Yeah. Move my stop right there. Take profit up there. So let's see what we got. This is my A setup here. It's a little bit the entry is a little bit premature. I could have waited a little bit over here, but I'll probably wait. I probably would have waited a little bit, like probably like right over here. I would have done the entry, but shoot or shoot, my boy, shoot or shoot, and you gotta shoot your shot. You can't be scared to shoot your shot. I was able to get a payout through Apex. Why? Because I shot my shots. I shot my shots, and I'm not fucking scared to shoot. Looks like price got rejected here by Excel, but I'm about to cross it. All good. All good. No worries. So if price action comes like right here, I'm gonna be watching it. But by the time price action comes over here, I'm moving my stop up. I'm moving that shit up because I'm paying attention to where price came up here and made that higher high, higher low, and popped up. So I'm watching for that too, like right around here. But it's all right. We're gonna keep on holding this. So I always trail my stops. Um, I trail it on the progression of price action and time in the trade. One of those two factors. If price is progressing, I move my stop up. If price is not progressing and time is coming up on the trade, meaning I'm like 4, 5, 10, 15 minutes in, that means that price action is stalling, and I don't like when price action is stalling. So that's when I start moving up my risk, because the more time I'm in a trade, the more time my risk is on the table. Does that make sense? I don't allow price to fully hit my stop. I really don't. Unless it just happens to hit my stop within like 5 minutes, then probably. Yeah. So let's come over here. We got price crossing XL right there. Like I said, I'm paying attention right here to how price reacts. So as price progresses, I start discounting my risk. As price progresses, I start discounting my risk. Every single dollar that I can save on my risk is money that I can use on the next trade. I always say that. Always, always say that. So I moved it up like 3 ticks. 3 ticks is 3 ticks. Save some money, baby. So price is coming on down. Let's bring that 3 minute. Let's move up that stop. Price is crossing that ribbon. I don't like that. Let's move up that stop. Price is crossing that ribbon. I don't like that. Let's choke it out a bit. We're going to put it at the 48. I don't like price crossing that ribbon. I really don't. So right here, we're going to cut my risk even more, protecting the risk that I initially took. Totally. But I was able to move my risk. I was definitely able to move my risk. Yeah, Cody. I use multiple time frames. It's just the way that I trade. So price didn't have enough momentum to keep going up. Totally fine. Totally fine. So right here, we're in this box of chop right there, where price action is just chopping around right here in that range. Let's see what's up. I have one more trade to take. One more trade to take. Oh, let's take a look at MES. Well, it looks like it hit the take profit that I said. Well, shit, I could have fucking took that trade too. Damn, YM, why are you biting me? Why are you biting my hand, bro? I trade you all the time. Why the fuck you biting my hand, bro? Piece of shit. Yeah, bro. There's nothing to trade there, bro. There really isn't. YM isn't really showing its hand at all. We have like really shitty price action. Now this time I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna really wait um for price to confirm up. I'm really gonna wait for price to confirm up. All right, my G. Peace out. Hit that weight room. Hit that weight room. You got to be disciplined in all aspects in life, not just trading. You got to get that body straight too, and that mental capacity straight too. I'm probably gonna give this stream like, I don't know, like another 10, 15 minutes. See what price does. If it doesn't, well, then I just took one trade, bro. And then it will be a third losing day. God damn it. That sucks ass. Whatever. I'm still profitable, bro. I'm still profitable. Just because I'm in a small little rut doesn't mean shit, bro. Doesn't mean shit. I've seen myself kill it multiple times. Man, this shit's really watching paint dry. We got MES just popping off. God damn. I should have took that trade. Yo, gamer, are you still here? Did you ever take that trade? I guess not, since you're saying, since he told me that. You don't like any of the setups. Jeez, MNQ's just popping off. Come on, YM. You're almost there. You're giving me that ribbon again. I want that ribbon nice and thick. Okay, we're bullish again. We're back above the 13, but this time I am gonna wait. This time I'm gonna wait. This time we're gonna be extra confirmed. So I lost 50 bucks on this trade, on this previous trade right here. So let's see if I can get back green above it. I don't give a shit if I make 60 bucks. Let me be green today. Let me be green today. I'm not asking for much. You know, price could come back to here. Could, maybe, or it could just reject off of XL. Okay. Not too bad. We got price coming up again. I am still gonna wait. Still gonna wait. You know, RSI crossing its moving average. Let's see. Okay, we're picking up some momentum. Picking up some momentum. Okay. Price crossing XL here. We're gonna give it another few minutes to really develop. I'm not gonna get trapped in no FOMO. I'll give it like 2 more minutes, 3 more minutes before I re-enter again. Okay. This is exactly why I wanted to wait. I refuse to get faked out. I'm still gonna wait. I need that band to get nice and thick. Not trying to get faked out. The name of the game is patience. Patience, 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 patience. It doesn't matter. Do not play one candle. Play the overall trend. We'll see. I don't like the fact that the RSI, its moving average, it's still above 50, but slowly treading down. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Okay. Slowly but surely. Super trend up there. It's getting there, guys. It's getting there. It's just taking forever. It's just taking forever. Where's that 5-minute super trend? All the way up there. Has anybody took a trade yet? Besides Mark and Cody? Okay, slowly getting there. That's fine, gamer. If you're not comfortable, don't do it. So obviously we're having some price bullishness right here. Let's see what this next candle does. We are picking up steam. Okay. We're progressing a bit, little by little. Not taking it yet, though. Yeah, NYM is trying. It's trying. It's just not there yet. It's not there yet. Shit's like watching paint dry, though. I want to be very, very sure that I take price bullishness. I want to be very, very sure. It's slowly treading on. So if I do take a position, this would be a beautiful example to try to take profit right here at super trends. Okay, now we're talking. Now we're talking. I'm gonna give it another minute. Now we have price strength. We definitely do. So I'm gonna probably get in on this in the next minute. Maybe. Maybe. There's like a 70% chance that I'll probably take it. We'll see. So where do I want my risk? 44.90. I'm probably gonna have my wrist tight on this one, like right there. 44. Yeah, I'll probably have my wrist super tight on this one. If I get stopped out, oh well. It is what it is. Doesn't matter to me. Still a profitable trader, bro. So this time I have my wrist super tight, and this is a 2.47 right here. Let's see if we can cross super trend. Let's see. I mean, not cross super trend, cross XL and target that super trend level. This will be a nice example for me to use super trend as a take profit level. So we'll see. Let me end the day green, please. I don't want to be in a fucking 3-day rut. I really don't. I really don't want to be in a 3-day rut. Let it be 2. 2 days. Okay, got some price bullishness. So I'm gonna move my risk up a bit right there. I'm already cutting that risk. As price progress, we cut. Remove my risk even more. We're gonna play this bitch a little tight. We're gonna play this bitch tight right here. I'm not trying to lose like a lot of money. I'll choke the bitch. I'll choke the bitch. When I say bitch, I mean this trade. Don't ban me, YouTube, for domestic violence. Okay, not too bad. Price is progressing. See if we can. Let's see if we're. Let's see the reaction of Excel. Let's see that reaction of Excel. So technically, based on where my risk is at, technically this is like a 4-to-1. Technically, a 2-to-1 would be right here. This would be a 2-to-1 trade, technically. But for the sake of education, we're going big, baby. We're going big. See if we can get that super trend level. Okay? Look at that reaction right there on Excel. As soon as we came to it, we have price reaction coming to it. And super trend is over here on the 3-minute. Let's see. Let's see. You know, still chugging it. Still chugging in. So we're gonna move our risk a little more. A little more. Cutting risk, cutting risk, cutting risk, cutting risk. Looks like price did come back from that 35 retracement. Coming on up, we just entered a little bit too early. A little too prematurely, which I knew I did. I knew I entered a little too premature. So I'm still gonna hold. Okay, price is progressing, so let's move up my stop right there. Keep cutting risk. Let's see if we can target super trend level. So 3-minute super trend, we're approaching it right now. Actually, let me do that. So 3-minute super trend level is right there, and it looks like we're getting a reaction off of it. So look at that reaction on the 3-minute super trend right there. So right here, we're gonna cut our risk even more. You know what? We're just gonna make the trade free. So we're just gonna make this trade free. I'm almost at break even. I'm break even at 50 bucks. If I can get to that 5-minute super trend level, let's move my risk even more. So we're getting an immediate reaction on that 3-minute super trend level. So I am above break even. This is a free trade. And I'm a little bit above profit. So let's see how it reacts. Let's see how it reacts here on this 3-minute super trend level. If we can break past that, then we can possibly get to the 5-minute super trend level. We have price crossing XL here on the 5-minute. So, I'm gonna move up my risk a little bit more just in case. Right there. I'm gonna keep on holding. We're strong, but we're getting a little bit overextended now. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what's up. We'll see what's up. We're gonna keep on holding. I can't be scared. We're trying to break right here. Like I said, if we can break that, we can possibly come to there. So I'm definitely in profit. We're coming on up. We're coming on up. Can we go to super trend on the 5? Can we go? We're 50, 32, 36. So I'm gonna move my stop more. Keep moving up my stop as price progresses right here. If price action goes below this wick right here, I'm moving up my stop to the ribbon. So I'm watching it. Yeah, indicators are definitely lining up. I'm just watching this price reaction on the 3-minute super trend level. It is stalling here. We can visibly see it with our own eyes. But doesn't necessarily mean to get out. To mitigate my risk, I trail my stop. So at the end of the day, regardless, I'm still leaving with profit. But if I still see price stalling here, right now, move my stop. Move my stop. So I have my stop right there. We are getting rejected off that 3-minute super trend. I am looking at it with my own eyes, but at least I'm securing some type of profit. Some type of profit. I'm gonna have my stop loss right there, and we're gonna let it be. And we're gonna let it be. But it does look a little bit overextended. But that's okay. That's okay. So from where price action's at 45.66 to 45.93, that's what is it, like 30 ticks around there? I think MYM can do it. So I'm practically at break. I'm at break even right now. I can choose to break even for the day, or I can plug it out. So we finally broke. Super trend on the 3-minute. Now let's see what price does. We're going to move my stop up once again. This is how you properly trail it. We're going to move it to right there, 50.48, where XL's at. Bum, right there, 50.48, where XL's at. So this is how you properly trail your stop loss. Inch by inch, time by time. As price progresses up, you move that stop up. As time continues to go, you move that stop up. The more time your money is in the market, the more time it's at risk. I could take it right now and be break even for the day. But I want to be green. But I want to be green and kill the losing streak that I'm on. So let's see. Move your stop loss to XL. Good. That's more than enough breathing room. So right now we're testing super trend right there on the 3-minute. So I mean we're pretty overextended. I'm not even gonna lie to you. We're pretty fucking overextended for the current price action. Like we're pretty overextended. Look at that move that it did. Like it did a pretty fucking big move. I'm not even gonna lie to you. It did a pretty big move. Um, we are playing the trade the exact same way. Shocking. Yep. Shocking. That's right. Let me go to the 3-minute here. Okay. I mean, I don't like the fact that it's stalling in this area, so that's why I'm just gonna leave my stop right there. We're gonna leave that stop right there. I am noticing that we are stalling right there. So it's just something to take note of. Just something to take note of. I wonder if Fat Mac is still here. So because I hope he's watching. He told me to use Super Trend as an example of as a take profit level. Shit. This is right here is the perfect fucking example. Come on. You can do it, price action. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. I'll move my risk up a little bit. Just a smidge. Just a smidge. Just a smidge. I'm coming out with something. I'm coming out with something. But we do have stalling there, and I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that. It's all right. You know, we're green. We're green. So let's move that stop. I'ma choke this trade. I'ma choke it. I'ma choke it. Not bad. Come on. Come on. Come on. Just a little bit more. My gambler brain is kicking in. Let's go. Come on. Just a little bit more. Come on. Come on. I might sell out. Close enough. I am close enough. We're good, bro. Okay, I'm in the green. I'm in the green. I'm in the green. Took that shit, bro. How you like that performance, baby? We came back. I said I wasn't gonna lose today and end up red. I'm a man of my word. I'm a man of my word. I'm a man of my word. I ended up being green. And it hit my take profit. It always does that. And it hit super trend. Look at that shit. Fuck it. God damn. Wow, I love how market makers, I love how the market makers, and it's coming back to retest that resistance level. I love how the market makers, they see you take your take profit, and then the next second you know what? We're gonna rocket this bitch. We're gonna rocket this bitch. Appreciate it, Cody. I mean, I'm not a killer like you, Cody, but hey, I'm trying to be. I'm trying to be. Good shit, E. You took the same play, bro. These are the type of plays you gotta take. So pat yourself on the back, E. You took a good trade right there, bro. I choked it and kept bumping my TP up. Nice. I mean, that's another way to do it. That's another way to do it. I was like, what? Just a few ticks away from my take profit? Fuck that shit, bro. Close enough. I've been in this trade for like 30 minutes, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes, almost 30 minutes. We out of there. Made 77 ticks. That's cool. That's good. That's a big move on YM. That's a big move. So we ended up green for the day. Not as green as I would like it. Not as green as I would like it. But that's where the fucking crackhead comes out of you and says, oh my god, I could have made more. Let me jump back on this trade since we're bullish and make more money. No, bro. You take whatever the market fucking gives you. You take whatever the fucking market gives you. You know, I'm up like $10 on the day. Yeah, I'm up like $10 on the day. Fuck it. Whatever, bro. Whatever. I'm green. If I can make another $10 tomorrow, fuck it. I'm green. As long as that trade Zella number is above 1, that means I'm making money. It might not be spectacular numbers, but in the long run, I'm a winner, baby. I'm a winner. And look at that big ass candle wick on that resistance level that I drew. Fucking king of levels. I am king of levels. Look at that hard rejection off of that resistance. I'm too fucking fire in drawing levels. If I was as good as in trading as I am drawing levels, I'll be a multi-millionaire. 2-0 today and done. Kind of get some work done so I can practice afternoon. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Green is green. Green is green. All right. 11 o'clock. We're out of here. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed the show. I did a major comeback. And I told you guys that I wasn't going to be fucking red today. And I did it. So I'm a man of my word. So that little 2-day rut that was in, it's over with. It is definitely over with. Okay. All right, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out. Oh, and by the way, if you're still watching, if you haven't joined the Discord, go ahead and join because we're dropping lots of free gems in there of like knowledge and education and pushing each other to get better. So